If this is your first real experience using AI, do not start by reading the whole course. Start here with one small win. Your goal is simple. Save 1 hour this week. That is it, 1 hour back today. Once you feel that, everything else in this course will make sense and you will be excited to keep going. Here is the exact 30-minute exercise. Step 1. Open ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. Any of them works. Create a free account if you do not have one. Step 2. Copy this prompt and paste it in. I am your profession. Help me identify 5 repetitive tasks that take too much time each week and show me how AI can help automate or simplify each one. Step 3. Read the answer and choose one task. Pick the one that drains you the most or eats the most time. Step 4. Ask this follow-up. Create a step-by-step workflow that reduces this task by at least 50% and write any prompts I would need to do it. Step 5. Implement it today. Do not save it for later. Run the workflow on a real task right now, even a small one. That is it. Congratulations! You have officially started using AI to create more time, more productivity, and more freedom. Do not wait until you finish the entire lesson to take action. Get your first win now. Then come back and keep building, one chapter and one task at a time. Momentum is everything, and it starts with this single hour. Now let's get to work. Every few decades, a technology comes along that quietly rewrites the rules of business. Electricity did it, the personal computer did it, the internet did it, and right now, artificial intelligence is doing it again. What makes this moment different is that AI removes the need for a big team, a big budget, or a technical background. A single business owner can now produce the output of an entire team. There are 3 kinds of AI. A tool is something you operate like a background remover on a photo. An assistant is something you talk to like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. An agent is something you delegate to. It handles an entire job on its own, like sending reminders to every client booked for tomorrow every day without you touching it. The goal is to move you up that ladder. AI is brilliant at 4 things: create, summarize, organize, and answer. But there are 3 things you should never fully hand off: judgment, relationships, and final approval. Think of AI as the most capable assistant you have ever had. You delegate the work, you keep the wisdom. Here is your action step. Do a 5-minute time audit. Write down every task that felt repetitive or draining today. Circle your number 1 time drain. Create a free account with one